Hello students, good morning to everyone. My name is Basraj. I am taking second class English grammar, second standard English grammar. Already you passed first standard, now you are in a second standard. So before going to start my English grammar point, I will ask some simple questions. Just answer me. Okay. So how many alphabets are there in English? In English, how many alphabets are there? Who know the answer? Raise your hand. Yes. You tell me. How many alphabets are there? Yes, 26. How many alphabets are there in English? 26. So, just I am writing all the alphabets on the board. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Am I right? What are these? These are alphabets. These are what? Alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, what do you call these are? These are what type of letters these are? These are capital letters. These are capital letters. Let us see how to write small letters. See here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are all the small letters. Those are capital letters. These are small letters. So in the alphabets, how many groups are there? Yes, all these are alphabets. In the alphabets, how many groups are there? Tell me. Anyone tell me? How many groups are there? Two groups are there. Is it right? So one is a vowel group, another one is a consonant. First one is a what? Vowel. Second one is a consonant. Tell me which are the vowels? How many vowels are there? Yes, 5 vowels are there. How many vowels are there? 5 vowels are there. Tell me which are those? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Those are what? Vowels. Except 5 remaining alphabets are called what? Consonant. Remaining how many letters are there? 21. 21 letters are called consonant. Total 26 are 5 are vowels, then 21 consonant. These are two groups in alphabets. Is it understand? So how many groups are there in English? Sorry, in alphabets, two groups are there. First one is vowel. 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U. Then consonant. So consonant 21. Consonant 21. So here just A, E, I, O, U. Is it right? The circle word are vowels. Remaining all these are what? Consonant. B, C, D. Try to read. B, C, D, F, G, H, then J, K, L, M, N, then O, C, V, W, X, Y, Z. Those are what? Consonant. A, E, I, O, U. Those are what called? Those are vowels. Is it understand? What are the vowels? How many vowels are there? Consonants. How many consonants are there? I hope you got it. You got my point? Did you understand? Yes, right. Shall we go further? Yes, let's see next. Let's see, students. Look at the board. Look at the board. I will tell you how to write alphabets in 4 lines. You should practice copywriting in 4 lines only. Every day you should write one page copywriting, especially in 4 lines. If you practice in 4 lines, you have a beautiful handwriting. You have a beautiful handwriting. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಪ್ರತಿ ದಿವಸನೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ copy writing ಬರೀಬೇಕು. One page copy writing you should write in 4 lines. Let us see how to write alphabets in 4 lines. First is what type of letter it is? Small letter, it is capital letter. It is a capital letter. Then A. Second B. Small letter B. Is it visible? Then C. Then C. D. Then D. After what? A, B, C, D, E. Small letter E. F. F. Then after F, G. G. Then H. You should write this like. You should write this like. Okay. F, G, H. Then I. Write this like. I. J. Then K. Small letter K. Small letter K. Then K, L, M, N, O, P, T, Q, Q, R, small letter R, you should write R, S, then T, U, small letter U. Just look at the board carefully how to write alphabets. Maybe small letters or capital letters, whatever it may be, you should write in 4 lines this like. Is it understand? P, Q, R, S, T, U, then V, W, W, X. You should write this like X, Y, then Z. Is it understand? This like you should write alphabets in 4 lines. Is it? Until you don't have a good writing, you should practice. You should practice every day. Then only you have a good handwriting. Is it understand? This like you should write. Do you know how to write? Did you understand? Yes. Let us see, students. I want to write something on the board. Look at the board. Look carefully. See, 10 words are here. So all these are not correct. All these are not correct pattern. How do you write a correct in? How do you tell me? How you make it correct? Who will? Who will do it? First one. How do you make it correct? Yes, what it is? S D O Z. S D O Z dog. Then second one who will do? Yes, apple. What is the spelling of apple? A-double-P-L-E. That is called apple. So third one. Actually, in these are the letters. Two words we make. One is act. C-A-T. Act. Then C-A-T. Cat. Is it both the words you can make by using the letters. Then school. Every day you come to where? School. Is it right? Then it is the name of the animal. Tell me. Yes. Elephant. E-A-B-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Is it understand? Then what it is you are using every day. When you come to school or in the home, you are using. When you write something by the pen, then it is a chalk. So, 8th one, S T A B L E, table. Then flower. 10th one, ground. 10th one is what? Ground. See here, first one is dog, second one is apple, act or cat, cat, school, elephant, pen, chalk, table, flower and ground. All those are what called a word. So these are not word. These are not a word. Those are what a word. So it means, tell me now what is word? What is word? Word means what? Word means what? Word means what? Tell me. Already you guessed that. Okay. Word means what? It is a group of letters. It is a group of letters. All these are what? Words. So how many alphabets are there in first word? 3. Apple, cat or hat, school, elephant, pen, chalk, table, flower, ground. All these are called what? Word. Word means what? Group of letter. It gives complete meaning. Is it understand? Word means what? Tell me now. Word is a group of letter. It gives complete meaning. Did you get the point? Did you understand? Yes. Let's go next sentence. Let us see students. 10 sentences are here. These are not in correct pattern. These are not correct. These are not correct. Tell me how you make it correct first one. Who will do the first one? How to write that in correct pattern? Yes, tell me. Yes, I write letter. Yes, I write a letter. The second one, how you make that correct one? He is running. He is running. Third one, yes, Sita plays sitar. Sitar is what? Musical instrument. Sitar, guitar, harmonium, flute, violin. Those are called what? Musical instrument. Then I like sweet. I like sweet. Fifth example, teacher told a story. Teacher told a story. Sixth one, tell me. Come on, tell me. Ravi writes a novel. Ravi writes a novel. Then here seventh one, Geeta reads a story. Geeta reads a story. Yes, then eighth one, Gol Gumbaz is a historical place. Gol Gumbaz, what type of place that is? Historical place. You just write here. Okay. Then ninth one, Rama Ravana killed. Tell me. Rama killed Ravana. Rama killed Ravana. Is it understand? Then last one. I teach English. I English teach. How you write it correct? I teach English. Is it understand? So just you imagine here. So these are not a correct pattern. These are not right. Those are correct sentence. Those are correct. Do you feel now? Don't you feel these are correct? Yes, all these are correct sentence. So it means sentence means what? Tell me. Sentence means what? In the first sentence, so groups are there. How many groups are there? First, second, it's like groups are there. Is it right? Is it right? So sentence means what? Now you tell me. Sentence means what? Sentence means what? Sentence is a group of words. Sentence is a group of words. It gives complete meaning. Is it understand? Sentence is a group of words. It gives complete meaning. So in every sentence, so many groups are there. Okay? Words groups are there. It means words group are there in every sentence. Sentence is a group of words. It gives a complete meaning. Is it understand? Word means a group of letter. Here sentence means what? A group of words. Is it understand? Write down fast. Take down the example clearly. Students, let's break down the homework on the base what you learned. So many things you learned in this class. Alphabets, how many groups in alphabets, and you studied about vowels and consonants. Even you have studied. Then what you studied? Word. Yes, then sentence also you learned. On the basis, now you write down the homework. First thing is jumbled word. So just you make these words correct. These words make correct. SROE, then EETR, NVNWIDOW, then TMOUNARN, then RGTIE, then RLON, HEPACER, ARED, ESPAK, ACHIR. Just you make correct word. You make this correct word. That is like a sentence also you already learnt. Is it? So first example is there. Play I Coco. Then she to school goes. Then third example, learn we music. Fourth example, they students are. So then the poet a poem writes. Then sixth example, grandmother tell truth. Then seventh one, we by bus come to. Yes, eighth one, he player is a chair made of is plastic. Then 10th one, look high at picture the. Just what you do, rearrange the sentence. All these are in a correct pattern. All these are not in a correct sentence. You should make a correct sentence. Does it understand? Now it is your homework. It is your homework. In the next class, we will discuss about kinds of sentence. Anybody know that? Kinds of sentence. So in the next class we will discuss about kinds of sentence. Just one more homework you should take. First thing is write capital letters. Write capital letters A to Z one time. Then write small letters A to Z. It is also one time. Write any 10 words. Is it understand? All these are things to your homework. You should complete the homework in your home. Don't take anybody help. Just you try to make yourself think. Is it understand? Don't take anybody help. Okay. If you have any doubt, in the next class we will discuss. Okay. Bye.